Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your location on PayPal. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Before starting the video, let me tell you that you cannot change your location to another country on PayPal. If you're moving internationally, you'll need to close your PayPal account and start a new one with a different location if you'd like to change your location. Simply go open up your PayPal account by typing in www.paypal.com, and once you're logged into your account, click the gear button at the top right hand corner, and in the Account tab, click on Close Your Account, delete your account for PayPal, and start all over again by creating a new account with a new location. However, if you'd like to change your primary address, then it's quite simple. Make sure you are inside the Account tab after selecting the gear button from the main home page of PayPal and go to the right hand side of the screen. You'll be able to see your address list on the screen. Click on Add New and enter your address in the address line number 1. Enter the name of your city and district. Select your zone. From the drop-down, enter your zip code and all of the information required in the text boxes. Finally, click on Add Address and you'll be able to set a primary address for your PayPal. You can now remove the previous one and select it as your primary address. Click on Save and you'll be able to change your address on PayPal. That was how you can do it. Unfortunately, you won't be able to change your location on PayPal once you've created an account for yourself. In order to do that, delete your current account and start off new with a new location. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.